With Helvar ActiveAhead, you can simplify and future-proof the way that you control your building's lighting. Helvar's wireless lighting control system provides several key benefits that make it easy and quick to design, implement and set up. In renovation projects, you don't need to renew mains cabling for ceiling or walls. And you can split the renovation into phases, since the control logic is distributed and stored in every ActiveAhead node. Since they all sit in the same network, this helps shorten downtime in renovation projects. To be future-proof, buildings need to adapt to new purposes and new ways of working. ActiveAhead offers a truly scalable solution for small and large projects alike. You can connect and control wireless ActiveAhead or standard Dali luminaires and a selection of other devices. Save time and effort in commissioning thanks to efficient logic and simple-to-use mobile app. Achieve maximum energy savings thanks to presence-based control and daylight harvesting, combined with ActiveAhead's unique self-learning capabilities. Reduce maintenance by letting the ActiveAhead solution adapt automatically to changes in space layout and usage. ActiveAhead offers a simple mobile app for tuning desk lights for personal control. This can boost satisfaction, support user comfort, and enhance building classification. Start your journey towards a more sustainable and easy-to-use wireless lighting system today. Helvar ActiveAhead.